cucumbers deliver inflammation fighting vitamin C and caffeic acid, and when applied to your face, this same nutrient can provide a positive effect for rejuvenating your complexion. Cucumber is 96% water, making it a hydrating addition to dry skin treatments as well as being generally safe for sensitive skin due to its lack of harsh potentially irritating ingredients. Today's video will discuss face mask to body lotion. 5 ways to use cucumber for your skin.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
5 ways to use cucumber. Number 1. Make a cucumber mask to help with irritated and acne-prone skin. Cucumber is also extremely beneficial to those with irritated and acne-prone skin. Infuse the soothing ingredients of cucumber water with bentonite clay to create a mask that can protect against skin irritations and swelling. For acne-prone skin, cucumber juice can help dilute potent essential oils like tea tree oil. This way, you can fight breakouts without drying out or stinging your skin. Cucumber can also be rubbed directly on the skin, over acne spots, or even put under acid marks while waiting. Number 2. Wash your face with cucumber water. For a simple morning wash, mix cucumber water with other beneficial ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, or castile soap. You can also splash your face with cucumber water to feel refreshed and awake at any time of day. Number 3. Create a dry cucumber body lotion. Creating your own cucumber-based body lotions is quick and easy. Take your regular dye lotions recipe and instead of normal water, use cucumber water. Hello Glow uses a mixture of aloe vera, vitamin E, and coconut milk to create an all-natural hydrating body lotion. If your skin is happier with thicker gel-based lotions, try this one by thought. Number 4. Relax with a hydrating cucumber mask. Since cucumber is 96% water, you can mix it with other natural ingredients to create a mask that helps to exfoliate the skin and soak up cucumber's soothing qualities. Use kitchen leftovers, a mixture of cucumber, honey, and yogurt combined to create a hydrating and delicious smelling mask. Feel free to get creative, adding ingredients like oats to the mix for calming and exfoliating properties. Number 5. Eat, drink, and stir in your skincare. Water is something your body needs to perform vital functions, from regulating temperature to maintain a healthy digestive system. So adding sliced cucumber to the water you drink is an amazing way to hydrate, especially if you are not fond of the taste of plain water. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.